Hey everyone, Scott Holmes again here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you the 2024 Yamaha 252 Fish Sport. This is a 25-foot center console twin engine boat with a included aluminum tandem axle trailer. It has the black hull color with a teal accent stripe. It has the taupe interior package. Check out the rear swim deck on this boat. What a great place for entertaining or lounging while at anchor. Freshwater flush, stereo controls, rear cup holders and seat bolstering. Really comfortable spot. But let's get inside and take a look at all the features inside as well. Aft live well, full back bench seat. This backrest will also fold down to make it easier to get in and out of the boat. Aft storage compartment. Leaning post cooler. Take a look at the leaning post seat. Nice contoured backrest with flip down bolster. The console has a 12-inch Simrad GPS chart plotter and a looks like a 7-inch Yamaha screen for all your boat technical information. Nice cubby down there for additional storage. Integrated rod storage on both the gunnels. And into the T-top, you have additional rod storage, speakers, and LED lights. Walking around to the front of the boat, you have another live well, a tackle storage and trash can, a huge bow. As you can see, we got the table up right now. That's easily removable as well. Nice wraparound seating for a very versatile seating arrangement. Dedicated anchor locker. Let me spin around here and show you the leaning post seat as well. Full enclosed T-top, keep you out of the wind and the elements. You may have seen one of the other videos. We also had the 255 Fish Sport E, which is a step up in horsepower and trim and electronic engine controls and steering as well. Come by and check it out and all the other Yamahas we have to offer here at MarineMax in Greenville. Thank you.